Hello everyone, welcome back to the DIY Den. So today I'm going to share these beautiful ideas that you can use to make using waste material and decorate your outdoor area. So I have cut the template of this bird and also a wing attached over it, and using different colors I'm going to paint the bird first. And now using different colors of pink, green, yellow, blue, I have just made the birds. Now using random designs I'm going to fill the bird's wings. So on the pink one I'm making some polka design and also the eye with black paint like this. Similarly on the next one I'm going to give a check design like this. And on the yellow one I'm going to make some wing design, and the inner side of these wings I'm going to paint with orange paint. So this is how it looks in our garden. And let's start with another one. I have taken these glass bottles and using M-Seal I have made the face, and glue gun I have attached it. Now I have cut these foam wings. I'm going to attach it like this. Similarly I'm going to make 4 like these, and using random colors I'm going to paint it. So in the paint only I have added glue and chalk, so it will work as a gesso only. And using M-Seal only I'm going to fill the eyes also, and this one is also done. Let's move ahead on the third one. Now for this I have taken an empty container, and the other side of it I'm going to attach the snail's body like this, and on the back side of this I'm going to make the on back side of the container I have made its shell and also added some antennas on the top of its head. Apply a layer of gesso and let it dry for some time, and using pastel cyan color I'm just going to paint it, let it dry. And similarly I have made one more smaller one, and this is how it looks. Now for the butterfly I have taken these 4 small balls. I'm going to attach it in this manner so that it doesn't move here and there, using glue gun only like this. I'm going to attach for its body, and for the wings also I have attached using foam only, and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.